No. No.
No.
No. There used to be hundreds and thousands of them, almost a million. Now there's less than 100,000 in Washington, Canada, and the Arctic.
Thousands of sea otters are dying because of
Oil spills,
Pollution.
predators, global warming.
What do you think about sea otters? Come on.
I don't like them.
I don't know.
They're just so cute and cuddly. I just want to kiss them.
My name is Lucretia. Why do I care? They're ugly.
But did you know that?
Sea otters are a keystone species.
A keystone species is a species that are more important to an ecosystem than one would expect based on their abundance. This importance comes from their niches and interactions affecting the system as a whole, rather than only affecting the species that they directly interact with.
For several years, something mysterious has been plaguing sea otter populations off the coast of California.
The animal may have seizures, it may shake, it may act like it's weak, it may not seem like it's very aware of its surroundings, it may seem to have problems bringing food to its mouth. It's those kinds of things that tip us off that something isn't quite right with this animal.
These symptoms and other research data point in part to an unlikely culprit, a parasite that causes toxoplasmosis.
The first big surprise for us was how common infection really was. What we found was that about 4 out of every 10 live otters that we tested actually had antibodies to the parasite.
Good boy. And even more surprising was the link to human population centers, where the parasite is transported by freshwater runoff. A University of California study confirmed that otters sampled near major streams and rivers were almost 3 times more likely to test positive for the parasite than those living away from fresh water. Other factors could also be responsible. Everything from other parasites and diseases to pollution and pesticides.
The bottom line right now is it remains an open question.
Sea otters eat about 25% of their body weight in shellfish and other invertebrates every day. Since people eat some of the same seafood, this poses the question of how humans might be affected, sending a warning to a fishing industry that the state heavily depends on.
Hey, Lord. Hey, Rick. Hey, bud.
It's also important to remember that this is not just about saving sea otters. That's important, but it's about saving marine ecosystems, because the organisms that we're seeing have significant implications for human health, and it has importance for the people of California and the people of the world that want to enjoy and utilize the Pacific coast.
And that is what is raising the stakes.
What you think, huh?
Making the effort to
Oh, there's a thing walking by.
No.
Oil spills.
Without sea otters, the entire abiotic marine life will undergo drastic changes. And since humans rely on marine animals for food, all these drastic changes will start to negatively affect them. What are you?
You.
Okay. You. Doing to help sea otters. To help save them? I'm saying no. Over. I'm gonna adopt a sea otter.
Take the bus.
Everybody got my Facebook membership? Yeah. Kylie, don't litter. What are you doing? You're pouring oil into the ocean. What about it? You're killing the sea otters. I don't want to do that.
Save the sea otters.
Oh, I do.
Global warming is bad.
We need to take a stand. For those who can't stand. Save the sea otters. Save the world!